Hello, my dear students. Myself, Debi Prasad, welcomes to you all to this third part of the first chapter of chemistry, that is matter. Now, law of conservation of mass. It states that matter can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form into another. Similarly, the law of conservation of energy states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed, but it can be transferred from one form into the another. In a chemical reaction, the total mass of the reactants before the reaction remains the same to the total mass of the products after the reaction. Now, proceeding to the example number 1, the question is given that in a chemical reaction, 200 gram of the reactant A combines with 100 gram of the reactant B. Then asked to find that how much will the product weight. As per the question, A plus B gives rise to the product, then 200 gram plus 100 gram is equal to how much? According to its solution, as per the law of conservation of mass, the mass of the products is equal to the mass of the reactants. Therefore, the total mass of the reactants is equal to mass of A plus mass of B. That's equal to 200 plus 100 is equal to 300 gram. Finally, the mass of the product is 300 gram. Now, the example number 2. In a reaction, 45 gram of a reactant AB breaks down into 25 gram of product A and an unknown amount of product B. Then what is the mass of the product B? Now, proceeding towards the solution. As per the law of conservation of mass, the mass of the products is equal to the mass of the reactants. Then mass of the reactants is equal to mass of AB, that is equal to 45 gram. That's given in the question. Now, the total mass of the product is equal to mass of A plus mass of B. That's equal to 25 gram plus mass of B. Then mass of AB equal to mass of A plus mass of B. Then mass of B is equal to mass of AB minus mass of A. That is 45 gram minus 25 gram, which comes to 20 gram. Therefore, the mass of B is 20 gram. Now, the example number 3, it is given that a magnesium wire weighing 10 gram burns in air to form 14 gram of magnesium oxide powder. How much oxygen has reacted with the magnesium? Write the word equation to find the reactants and products. Now, proceeding towards the solution. The word equation can be written as magnesium plus oxygen gives rise to magnesium oxide. As per the law of conservation of mass, mass of magnesium plus mass of oxygen is equal to the mass of magnesium oxide. Now, the mass of oxygen is equal to mass of magnesium oxide minus mass of magnesium. That's equal to 14 gram minus 10 gram equal to 4 gram. Therefore, 4 gram of oxygen has been used up. Now, the example number 4. Calculate the mass of the reactant A in a reaction where the reactants A and B combine together to form a product AB. The mass of B is 10 gram and the mass of AB is 24 gram. Now, the solution. The word equation can be written as mass of reactant A plus mass of reactant B is equal to mass of product AB. According to the question, the mass of B is 10 gram. The mass of the product AB is 24 gram. Now, the mass of the reactant A is equal to mass of AB minus mass of B. That is equal to 24 gram minus 10 gram. It comes to 14 gram. Now proceeding to the example number 5. Ask that calculate the mass of the product B in a reaction where the reactant AB decomposes completely into the products A and B. The mass of AB is 35 gram and the mass of A is given 22 gram. Now proceeding to the solution. The word equation can be written as mass of the reactant AB is equal to mass of A plus mass of B. Now, as per the law of conservation of mass, the mass of the reactants is equal to the mass of the products. Then 35 gram is equal to mass of the product A plus mass of the product B. Then 35 gram is equal to 22 gram plus mass of product B. Now mass of product B is equal to 35 gram minus 22 gram, that is equal to 13 gram. Therefore finally the mass of the product B is 13 gram. Thank you my dear students for watching and learning from this video. Now you all can proceed to write the exercise question answers from your textbook.